Got the rocket. Got my nephew with me. A little mini startup video. Might not start on the first try, but I don't give a fuck. Oh, never mind. Back up, buddy.